What's up everybody, Vin from Finished Basements here. We just finished up this basement in Bayville, New Jersey. I'm standing in the entryway from the backyard. We incorporated this door, it was existing here. So we decided to design the basement based off of that. We have a nice tray ceiling here with LEDs behind the cove molding, which gives it a nice touch in this area. It's actually a 40-foot tray, but we decided to keep it as one whole instead of breaking them up into two different areas. In this area right here, we have our little TV spot. Get LEDs behind the TV to give it a nice glow in the back of that. We got a nice sound system here. We actually have this shelf that's holding up the speaker. We also did slide it on there as well. We have some nice chairs to sit here. We got this egress window. We got a lot of artwork throughout the basement that all ties into each other. We have this record here that's connected to all the speakers, so you can play music through this. We got this little lounge area, the poker table, so you can come down here and hang out with your friends. It's a good hangout spot, play some cards, do whatever you want. We got a utility room back there. And then we have this extra storage room throughout this paneled wall. We actually opened up both sides of the staircase. It leads upstairs. There is no door at the top, so we decided to match what they have upstairs to continue the design down into here. And then we have this paneled wall throughout. We wanted to accommodate and go over the steps, so we gave it a nice trim detail that rides the top of that step. This paneled wall has another hidden door for extra storage in the closet. We have this door under the stairs. It just has a fridge under there. They needed extra beverages that they can't store in the bar. So we have this beautiful bar that's here. We did some black cabinets, nice countertops on both the front bar and the back. We got a sink in the middle. TV to service the people that are sitting over to here. And then we did the slatted wall, like I mentioned before, in the TV area to continue that design over here. We got floating shelves on the left and right. Got a lot of sports memorabilia over here. Did a nice tray in this specific area. A little bit different about this front island is we didn't do any cabinets, so it's basically just a floating half wall. We made it 42 inches high, gave them about 4 chairs around. Maybe you could get 5 in here. Also, we have this paneled wall here. We continued that design as well as the one that I mentioned before. We wanted to hide this door that leads into the ejector pit room, so we decided to keep the same design and continue it throughout. Coming over to here, we have the pool table, little gaming spot, and then we have in this little cove that we kind of built around, we knew a dartboard was going here since the day of framing, so we decided to basically put wood studs behind there to allow for the dartboard to be mounted onto there. And then we have our bathroom here. That's our full bath. We got a vanity. We got a mirror with LEDs that's backlit. Again, we got pictures throughout, and we have our toilet here. We have this full shower. We did slatted tiles to match the slatted walls that were out there, but these are actually tiled, so it gives it a nice touch. That's all we got. Stay tuned for more.